White cat with soft white fur and blue eyes walks through sunny quiet street. Warm lighting, gentle breeze.
Welcome to Crispy Bites.
Trenchcoat white cat with sunglasses waves from fried food stand labeled Crispy Bites. Seller hands steaming chicken nugget box toward friendly cat. Golden light glows on food. White cat bites nugget happily, tail swaying, bright midday glow. Smile fades, paw on stomach, eyes uneasy. White cat kneels, nuggets drop, vomits beside box. Trenchcoat cat smirks and walks into alley shadow. Gray rescue cat runs in with glowing medical scanner. Scanner display shows red toxic alert over nuggets. Rescue cat injects antidote, blue serum glows.
Keep the crowd back.
Police cats with flashing sirens step from van, crowd gathers. Officers collect nuggets in transparent bags, documenting scene. Inside van, CCTV hologram shows trenchcoat cat's face. Police car races through night streets, neon reflections flashing. Police cats move through misty alleys with flashlights. Trenchcoat cat spotted throwing leftover nuggets in bin.
Stop resisting. Get on the ground.
Police grab and cuff cat. Nuggets spill on wet pavement.
Suspect is secure.
Police van door slams. Seller cat inside glaring behind bars. Morning clinic room. White cat rests in bed. Rescue cat smiling with soup. White cat stands healthy beside police and rescue team. Text, justice served, always check what you eat.